Financial considerations. Let's talk about money. Initial costs include buying goats, building housing and fences, setting up a water system, and getting initial veterinary supplies. Ongoing monthly costs include feed, veterinary care, labor, and miscellaneous expenses. Revenue comes from selling goats. It's crucial to have a realistic price point based on the quality of your goats. While our example showed a potential initial deficit, remember that as your herd grows and you refine your practices, profitability increases. Focus on efficiency, reducing costs, and improving sales strategies. Conclusion. Goat farming in Zambia offers a fantastic opportunity.